Guys, you won't believe this is not my natural hair. Oh my word! So I made this beautiful hair using just 3 packs of Brazilian wool. So guys, if you want to know how I did the magic, keep on watching. Don't skip anywhere. Hi, this is Jasmine Royo. If you are new here, please kindly hit that subscribe button and become part of this amazing family that slays on a budget. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, so I thought I'll be using 4 rolls of wool and I ended up using just 3. If you want it to be fuller and longer, you can use more than 4 or 4. So after rolling it on the chair, I decided to cut it and then I rolled it with my flexi rod. After rolling it with my flexi rods, I soaked them in hot water for like 5 minutes. You can decide to use conditioner or just your boiled water. So this is how it turned out. So I'm going to cut into 2 and then I'm going to use my brush and my comb. I use like 3 types of comb. Way back a year ago. This is how it turned out. So it's time to weave. First of all, I'm going to cut out some parts of my hair that I will use at the end of the crocheting so it can come out natural. This hair I'm cutting out now will make it look natural because I'm going to use it to cover it up. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high. So I'm going to weave this place because I wouldn't want it to obstruct my weaving and my crochet. So this is why I'm weaving it. Ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your family and friends. So these parts I'm going to weave now are the ones I'm going to crochet in my wool. So just weaving like this and then after that you're going to crochet. You can make yours smaller but I decided to make it bigger because I don't have time. I have time for other things. So this is how it goes. I'm not going to show you the whole detail. You know how to weave. So I will just have to show you some parts and then we'll start crocheting. Okay, this part now, I'm going to join it with the previous one I'd already weaved. And then after weaving, you keep joining it like that to the last one. You felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same.
Right now I'm going to crochet this part. I'm going to hide it with my crochet pin.
Convenient, okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by me. Alright, it's time to crochet. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked? Please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. we are approaching the front, and this is how I'm going to populate it with smaller strands of wool. You make it smaller because this front, you don't want it to look bulky and obvious that it's fake hair, so you have to cut out some strands, make it smaller, and then you fix it in. Make sure you fill in the gaps between the weave.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So now I'm done crocheting, so I'm going to comb out some strands hanging around. So this is the hair I'd already cut out. I'm going to loosen it just to cover it up. After loosening it, I'm going to comb it with my smaller comb to rhyme with the wool. So this is the back. You're going to also brush through.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
Okay, so you can see the hair is already looking natural. If I don't tell you this is not my natural hair, you won't believe it. So a little bit of edge control can actually spice it up, make it more beautiful, but it's optional. I'm gonna style it in different ways, so don't skip till you watch the different styles I'm going to show off today. The first hairstyle, look at it, look at how beautiful it is. Okay, let's go to the next one. So this time around you're going to try ponytail. Alright, look at the front, looking so natural. Tell me you don't like this hair. If you like it, drop a thumbs up. So I'm going to comb. After combing it out, I'm going to use my rubber bands to hold it in place, and this is how it looks. If I tell you it's my natural hair, you will believe it. Look at the back, looking so natural. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, this is my scarf. I'm going to use it for this style. So this part, we're going to do something like twisting. I'm going to hold it with my bobby pin. Alright, this is it again. Come on, let's go. Can you see this hair? Wow, look at the back. It's so beautiful. So sis, have you subscribed? Have you liked? Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at next one.